Hello and welcome to Virtual Convict and our devlog on Vincemus. Today we'll be looking at the work I covered in the past 2 weeks, and it will include nighttime flying, more enemies, more explosions, and audio effects. So in this log we'll take a look at the new nighttime lighting we have added to the game. We've also got a cool blue night ambience with a full moon. While it's nighttime, sparks will come from the muzzle of your weapons, like in reality. This is caused by the bullet rubbing against the barrel when it's fired, as well as the unburnt powder exiting the muzzle. I also added a red light that will turn on or off in the cockpit based off the time of day. So it turns on at night, and it turns off when it's day. Lights and bloom are also more intense, so it looks cooler when things blow up. We've added new flyable planes, so prior to this devlog, we had a BF-109 and a P-51. We've now added a Yak-9, as well as an Me-262 that are flyable. Even though they can fly, they still need some calibration in regards to handling. Other than that, they can shoot, drop bombs, and fire missiles. We have revamped explosions in the game, as well as impacts and fires. Tracer rounds have also been changed to have different colors based on your plane, so American planes have red or orange like tracers. Germans will use green and white, as well as the Russians, they will use the same, which is green and white. We've got new enemies in the game, so we have a new stationary target called a tank destroyer. This won't be moving or attacking the player, but it has the potential to attack any allied ground target. We also have trucks with a different assortment of weapons on the back of them. So we have a truck with 450 cals, another with two 20 mils, and lastly, one with an 88mm flak stuck onto the back. I can't get the actual 88 flak truck, but this will be our budget version for now. Damage has also been revamped in the game, so as I was playing, things took a bit too long to kill, so health values and weapon damage has been changed to something a bit more realistic against enemies, but for the player, you're still somewhat of a flying tank. That will be all for today's devlog. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, as it'll help my channel grow. With all this complete, we're one step closer to making Vincemus a released product for Steam, and we're continuing to develop the game so it can have its own page on the web. This will be all. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any ideas for the game or the channel, and I hope to see you in the next devlog.